Today on Detail, we're going to talk about slime. Today, we're going to be talking about slime. Can it clean? We're going to find out today. This is one of the myths I've been looking forward to the most because, well, I like to get my hands dirty. But before we get to it in too far, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out and you'll stay up to date with everything that we're doing on this channel. Now, all we're gonna do is just use a few products and we're gonna show you how you can make your own slime at home and test it out on this vehicle here and see how well does it work. So first things first, we've got some clear glue here. Get a little bit in here. If you're wondering about ratios, I have no idea, okay? This is not a science channel. This is a more of a, let's play around with it and see what happens. So we've got our glue in there. I'm gonna start pouring some baking soda in here. Okay, give it a nice stir. Get it to kind of have that same milky kind of look to it. All right, now we're gonna start adding contact solution. Squirt a little bit in here. Now this is where the consistency is gonna start changing, going from that gooey to more slimy consistency. We're getting there. Some more contact solution, so much contact solution. Start kind of working it. It's not sticking to me anymore, so that's got to be a good sign, right? Just kind of knead it around a bit. Not too bad. Let's find out how well this works. I've got this very, very dirty door panel right here. I'm gonna just set it on there. We're gonna work it in a bit. The nice thing about slime is that it really gets into all the nooks and crannies. Oh, look at that. Just roll it a bit. Ugh. See how well it does with like a gap like this. Set it in there. Let sit, let gravity do the work. Go. Not bad. Yeah, I like this stuff. Might need a little bit more contact solution. Let's see. Let's go ahead and we'll roll it into the cup holders right here. See what it can pick up. Ugh. Yeah, that did some work. I mean, I don't know if you can really tell the difference of like this color of slime now. It's a lot more brown than what it started off as. And it's been picking up quite a bit of stuff and I can still just continue to pick it up. Slime's working out pretty good, but I think we can make it a little better, add a little OP spice to it. So let's see what we can work up. So my grand idea to enhance this little slime recipe here is to add a little bit of diluted OP clean to the action, a little degreaser, maybe a little bit more oomph. So I'm just gonna add a little bit in here. That should be good. And you know what? Why not? Like I said, this isn't a science channel. Who cares about ratios? Stir this up. It smells a lot better than the last one. Okay. Now a ton of contact solution. Slippery. Watch out. I feel like I'm stretching taffy. Now let's see how our spicy OP slime works. So I'm just gonna try out on this area right here where we got some dirt waves. It gets in the crevices really nice. Like, better than most things would. Grody. One thing I see all over the place is slapping on the steering wheel, get the whole thing covered. Get into these crevices. So slime, it works. I mean, this got nasty, this got dingy, this got yellow, but it's not the end all be all. There's definitely better ways to clean, but this is a really good tool to keep in your arsenal when it comes to cleaning tight areas or loose dirt and debris that might be in the vehicle. Out of like a 5-star rating, I mean, I'd give it a 4. It does clean. It cleans, it picks up, and it's doing its job, but the problem is that it just can't agitate. It's not scrubbing, it's not removing. We got plenty more myths to show you guys, and we're super excited. We're trying out to make our own glass coating. It's weird, it's fun. I hope you enjoy it. Maybe next week, I don't know. But at the end of it all, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. And if you want to stay up to date with all the videos that we're putting out, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you liked what you saw today, hit that like button. It helps out the channel a lot. I'll see you next week. Have a good one.